Hello guys, welcome to Trending Video. My name is Biswa and in this video I'm going to unbox the product from IKEA, which is Klipsk. As you can see, the name is Klipsk and this is a bed table, so bed tray. You can use it as a multi-purpose tray. As you see here in the picture, you can put it on the bed and also get your food items on the tray. It can work food tray as well as you can put your gadgets over here on the section that you see. Also you can put your laptop and work. So this is a multi-purpose tray. You can use it as a laptop table. You can also use it as a bed tray as well. Okay, so the price is 839 rupees, which you see on MRP around $10, but I got it for 599, around 600 rupees, which is approximately $8. Okay, let us quickly open it. It is easy to assemble and also easy to fold, and you can put it under a place wherever you want to put. So they have given some instructions to open it. Just basically you need to click it and then you need to open it like this. Once it is open, then you need to press it to lock, and then you need to unpress it and then again click it back. Okay, let's quickly see this one. And so I got this color because this color looks cool, and it also has a different color like white and gray and black as well, but this color seems to be pretty cool color. That's why I chosen this. There is a lock here that you see. You need to open it. Yeah, here is the lock that you see here. So once you put it here on this surface, it will get locked, so that it will not go again to the same position. You need to pull it like this. You need to pull this little outward and then you can get it undone. So this is what the size is that you see. So about locking it, as you see here, you need to press it so that this will get into the position where it should be. So when you press it, it will get locked. Okay, the same way the other side, you need to press so that it will get locked. And once it is locked, you get this sturdy. This is sturdy one, and I think it's very much lightweight. And about the dimension of this, let me tell you the dimension, exact dimension. So the length here is 56 centimeter here, and then the width is 36 centimeter. 56, 36, and then the height is 26. 56, 36, and then 26. Height is 26. This is not height adjustable. Soon I will come up with a new video of a laptop table which is height adjustable. Okay, so this is what the design is. To unlock it, you just need to pull it upward. Okay, and then put it like this. Similarly, you need to pull it upward in the upward direction and then pull it and then lock this. That's all. This is very much easy and convenient to open it. Just need to pull it like this. Even with the same both the hands, you can do this. Done, and then you are ready to work. And you can use it as a bed table. You can use it as a laptop table also. I think this product the purchase link will be on the description section. And also you can use it as a study, as my daughter rightly mentioning. You can use it as a writing, and you can put a notebook here and pencil study. You can put your tablet, you can put your mobiles here. Purchase link will be on the description section, guys. I hope this product is useful. Do like, comment and subscribe if you have any questions. Thank you and thanks for watching.